My name is Gulnaaz Sangra and today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Any guesses what it is? No? Okay, I will tell you. Today we are going to discuss about the moon and also the shapes of the moon. So first we will discuss about the moon. The moon comes at night. It is the brightest object in the night sky. It has no light of its own, but it reflects the sun's light. And it is also smaller than the sun. Now, I will tell you the four shapes of the moon. So, there are four shapes of the moon that are called new moon, crescent moon, half moon and full moon. These are the four shapes of the moon. Now I am going to show you my activity about the shapes of the moon. There are four shapes of moon that are called new moon, crescent moon, half moon and full moon. Now let me describe the shapes of the moon. New moon occurs when the moon is on the same side of the earth as sun. Crescent moon occurs when most of the side facing the earth receives no light from the sun. Half moon occurs when half portion of the moon is visible. Full moon occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of the earth from the sun. Now let's reveal the secret how I made this fun-loving activity. To make this activity, I used 3 Oreo biscuits. I separated the cream part with the other part that has no cream on it. To make the new moon, we need to remove all the cream from it. And in the crescent moon, you need to make the shape as a crescent. In the half moon, you need to remove half of its piece. And in the full moon, it always stays full. So friends, you can also make it on your own at home. And if you want to make the same activity I did, first you need to subscribe my YouTube channels. So if you will come next time in my next video, then I will teach you how to make this tiny book. Okay? And also this little cute tiny one. Okay? With sparkles on it and the one that you can write secrets in it. And you can also draw pictures. And you can also put your beautiful memories. Click on the subscribe button. Press the bell icon to get all latest updates.